Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Maheen. Welcome back to another very special video of Creative DIY with Mano. I hope you all are doing good and taking good care of yourself and surrounding. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys my deep cleaning routine. So let's start it. Just look at my room. Now let's start it to make it very clean. So first I am starting with my shoes, which were kept outside from my room. Now I am starting first to make space for these shoes. It's not as much organized, but a little try make you the perfect one. I am thinking about to apply some DIY ideas on my shoes to adjust it in a little space. I will share with you later very soon. Now it's time to declutter my bed, my door, all of my room. Now it's time to take all the pillows covers out of it. And keeping all the pillows aside. I am taking out the cover from the comforter also and then from the bed. It's optional. After washing it you can use it again or using another one. It's totally up to you. I am using my favorite one. As you know guys, winters are gone. I am keeping the comforter again in the plastic bag. To keep it safe and clean for the next winter. I am keeping all the removed bed sheets and covers of the pillows and comforter in laundry basket, ready for washing. Now I am cleaning my bed front from the duster. So for cleaning my fans, I always remember to clean my fan from amazing, handy, super convenient duster. So as well as cleaning my fan, I always make sure to clean the roof and cleaning all the ceilings with the duster. The lighting and the corners, etc. Clean out all the cushions again after dusting to take out any dust particles from it. Now take out anything kept on side table to clean it. Now take any wet cloth and rub it on all the surfaces of the side table, especially the glass kept on side table. If you want to clean your TV, please do not rub wet cloth on TV and do not give any pressure while rubbing. Rub it very softly with a very soft cloth. Now moving to the dressing table. Now clearing my DIY items from the dressing table. I am cleaning dressing table, the drawers, the mirrors, glasses, etc. As you know guys, the part of the drawers from which the drawers are pulling out becomes so dirty due to the handy touch. So clean it with new wet cloth, rub it gently and then dry it out. Now I'm putting my new bed sheet on my bed, and I really love black and white color together. They are going with my room wallpaper also. Okay guys, now I'm so excited to putting on my new classy amazing color combination cushion covers to give my room so vibrant look. Cushions cover link will be given in description. You can check it out if someone is interested to get these. The important thing I want to discuss with you guys, I am not trying to teach you guys how clean your room, your house. Everyone are doing the same, or maybe I skipped something important. It is just a way to entertain you guys. That's it. So in last, you can see the final look with a little touch of my cute scented candles and fairy lights. I love these things to do. Okay friends, I hope you like my video. Thumbs up. If you guys are new on my channel, please subscribe. Also hit the bell to get my new video notification very soon. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.